Well, you'd pretty much have to be living in a cave all your life to not know this logo. Every kid for the last, 75 years knows the Superman logo. You'll only need yellow, red, and a little bit of black to do this, and maybe a ruler to get those side lines really straight. Come on with me and draw the Man of Steel's logo. Faster than a speeding bullet, more powerful than a locomotive. Well, you get the idea. Let's go. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Let's add some color to this drawing now. We'll speed up the video. Pause or reduce the speed if you need to. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe.